Hello, today we will guide you through how to do adjusting entries in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the home screen. This is your main dashboard and it's the easiest place to begin because all of the primary actions in QuickBooks are accessible from here. Starting from the home page helps you stay oriented and makes it simpler to follow along without jumping between different areas of the system. Once you're on the home screen, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. When you hover over it, QuickBooks will display a menu of transaction and entry options. This menu is where you can quickly create different types of records, including invoices, expenses, and journal entries. For adjusting entries, the option we need is the Journal Entry feature. From that Create menu, click Journal Entry. This opens a journal entry window where you can manually record an adjustment. Journal entries are commonly used at the end of a period to correct balances, move amounts between accounts, or record adjustments that aren't entered through everyday transactions. It's a good idea to review your accounts before posting anything, since journal entries affect your books directly. In the Journal Entry screen, click into the First Account text box. This is where you'll choose the account for the first side of the adjustment. In this example, type checking. As you type, QuickBooks should begin showing matching account names. Select the correct checking account from the list if it appears. Taking a moment here to confirm the account name is important, especially if you have multiple bank or cash-related accounts in your chart of accounts. After selecting checking, enter your sample debit amount in the debit field. Make sure the amount is placed in the debit column for this first line. Accuracy matters here, because adjusting entries must stay balanced in order to save correctly. Next, move to the account field on the following line and type savings. Just like before, QuickBooks will suggest matching accounts as you type. When you see the savings account appear, click on Savings to select it. This creates the second side of the journal entry. In a balanced entry, this line will offset the debit you entered on the checking line. When everything looks correct, go to the bottom right of the screen and click Save and New. This saves the adjusting entry and immediately opens a fresh journal entry form if you need to continue entering more adjustments. Before clicking Save, it's always helpful to do one quick review of the accounts and amounts so you can avoid corrections later. That's how to do adjusting entries in QuickBooks Online.